Well done, congratulations, Robbie. Very physical out there, especially in the middle of the field. Not a lot of space on a soccer pitch.
Yeah, it was an incredibly tough game. I think the conditions made it quite tricky to play, and we didn't get to run too much ball, but I think it was a pretty entertaining game for the fans and to be involved in, so it's brilliant to come out the good side.
Rob, playing in a stadium like this, it's a bit unusual one, but the atmosphere was incredible.
Yeah, it was incredible, and you can see why it's a place with such a history. There was a few spare seats today, but the noise was incredible. We weren't expecting a huge amount of support given the amount of fans who come over to Newcastle, but there's still so many people in blue turning out for us today. It was brilliant.
The game itself, they came out of the blocks really, really well. You could see that they meant business. Your reaction, your defence, it stands up all the time, and it stood up again today.
Yeah, like we knew they were going to come out. Like it's a huge game for them. They're at home, it's their final. It was sort of almost written in the script for them a little bit. So they really come out of the blocks. That first 10 minutes was pretty intense. We weathered the storm a little bit, and then we got a fortuitous enough try to get us back into the game and to go just 2-point game.
Just this guy here, he's played a long time. Are we going to see you in a blue jersey again, Rob?
Yeah, please God, hopefully.
Good stuff. Listen, thanks for your time. Enjoy the celebrations, boys. Safe home. All right, cheers. All the best.
Marcus Horde here of Glicker Sheena Kirkesh there, Rob Carney, agus Tom Keatsa. Giveka Bade, Sing and Sing Guru. Agus Lech Hemera.